Shalom, shalom, shalom. Ututoma, eyoma, abanama. On a wutem very well. Now, one nine, someone like Akwa Okuko, aka Onyeze Jesus. Nmiri Eweilo, and so have been arrested and in detention. We pray that they are innocent. If they are innocent, government should do the needful like this. But if they find guilty, government should do whatever they choose to do. But I'm here to tell you that what is love and what is hate. Now, ndị Igbo na-afụta love as hate, futa hate as love. Genti, nwanne nwoke nwanne nwaanyị biko ị na-ajoin na tusa n'ozi ihe abụ watch about this okit and let it. I am the first prophet that came out and began to fight. I fought with Akwa Okuko, Onyeze Jesus, aka Nmiri Eweilo. Let me explain to you. 2022 February, March, we were blackout. Starting from Akwa Okuko. When Akwa Okuko came out, on a word, Pastor Saul, when I want to draw God, when I want to walk on a menka, on a mekrapura. And the one boy that challenging them, the guy is no longer in Nigeria, traveled. It's Ezugo or something. Many of you don't know this story. The boy made a video talk about Akwa Okuko. Akwa Okuko told the guy that if he did not come out to apologize because of nobody exposed, he's going to die within 4 days. Are you going to kill him? And if any pastor talk, that pastor will be paralyzed within 4 days. This is how all those things started. Then, before this word came out, Akwa Okuko 2020, 2021, they already made so much money. You must say, so Akwa Okuko had put a go away. Akwa Okuko, Nmiri Eweilo, and this woman, Onyeze Jesus, he put a geek. So, but me, when I see those things, I was not even after native doctor. I was after fake pastor and fake prophet. Okay, share the telecast. I was after fake pastor and fake prophet because then is when I was already fighting with TB Joshua, Jeremiah, Moto, Fofimi, Buchiri, Mendem, those fake prophet. They're not like Ebuka. Ebuka never come to limelight. Then nobody knew Ebuka that time. Who they know that time was a backer. Okay. In fact, who's on top then as in Christian is TB Joshua, Jeremiah, Buchiri, because that's my crew where I was before. So before I decamp 2018, I decamped from all those people because of what God told me. Because of you asking, we don't know you, you don't need to know me. If TB Joshua can know me, Jeremiah know me, Buchiri, West South Africa, they know me. If you don't know me, you're nobody. You don't need to know me. So go there, go there. I've been mentioning Jeremiah many times. Try to mention Jeremiah if they will not arrest you. No. Try and mention Jeremiah for me. Do video. If they not arrest you the next day. If you think, say, well, we don't ordinary, they talk this thing. Do you know how many years that we're fighting? You can't be able to be yesterday where we say, just come to land. Me bring Ebuka become limelight. Go and check it. Go and check the history. When would they talk about prophet in Nigeria? Ebuka be know that among them. Now my glory, the battle of our fought, and because Mbaka was adoration was shut down for 9 months, which the prophecy I give, I told Mbaka they will close the church. That's what Ebuka is learning now, acting like he's a king, he's nobody. Listen very well. There's a two message I will give now. If you don't come to pass, now I'm not a prophet, write it down. The same way, Akwa Okuko challenge. After the Akwa Okuko challenge, inside the video, I made a video. I mentioned them. As I mentioned the Jeremiah, and I mentioned them like Onyeze Jesus. Because people like Onyeze Jesus are the one going to Akwa Okuko. That's what Akwa Okuko now feel that all the pastors were the same. And because of the powers he has. When we are talking these things, so Akwa Okuko have power. Don't be saying we talk about empty mouth. Now me destroy Akwa Okuko power. I don't talk about this because it's a big fight. It's a challenge. The whole world was watching. So don't put mouth to what you don't know. I know what I fight. I know the kingdoms are fought. Let me to share the telecast. Now, Onyeze Jesus Because Onyeze Jesus was hiding then. He doesn't want people to know that no na war. Onyeze Jesus first of all sending me attack. Vulture. I was there, the vulture was coming from Onyeze Jesus. I'm saying this thing. If you watch my videos, you will hear it there. Not that I'm saying it now. That time, 2 years ago. If not that Ebuka they hack my page and I will be seeing all this. That's why sometimes if I remember it, I'll be angry. Because I'll be showing you as they pray, they show. Now, Onyeze Jesus sent me a vulture. The vulture was just coming. And I tried the vulture. That's where Onyeze Jesus had a problem. That is why Onyeze Jesus' power spoiled. He have his own power with Akwa own. All of them spoiled. From that time is when he started having problem with Akwa Okuko. Then Onyeze Jesus now tried to get his own power by himself. He stopped using Akwa Okuko. Now, we have then Nmiri Eweilo have never come like this. Nmiri Eweilo still small because you know I will tell you how Nmiri Eweilo and Akwa Okuko are the main roots that destroy Igbo land. Let us not pretend. The what Nmiri Eweilo did. Nmiri Eweilo is enlightened. They have stayed abroad. They have done 419, no bigger abroad before. So he came back with wisdom. Nmiri Eweilo, what brought Nmiri Eweilo to limelight? That was in 2017. That's the first video Nmiri Eweilo made online. That was 2017. Then I was in Anambra State. I saw the video that time. Then if Nmiri Eweilo, if you go and watch that video that time, the first video Nmiri Eweilo did about 7. That was 2017. That time I'm already in Anambra State fighting with all those people that eat human being. You know, if we talk all those things, you come to talk. Do you know people eating human being in Oka? Some countries they kill human being and eat their meat. It was there. So when I called the guy, I went to preach. It's on my video. I can prove it. I can prove it. I can give you the video testimony. So that I don't know then. That was when I was in the Abakalika Street. So went to Soldier Street. We were talking this thing now. I can't even come to Oka and do preaching. We were talking this thing. Curtis was in Oka, clean people up and down. I was sleeping in the mountain alone. I was in Abakalika Street. Because when I came from Lagos, they showed me land I want to buy. I said, no, I don't want to stay inside bush. So that land was about 2006. That place was about 80 million. The half plot there was about 40 million. So I reached to owe, which the place million are there. After night, if I go to East, I will bring in the videos. The place million are there. So I have to sanfill to spend close to 20 million or sanfill the place. Because why? The place is in a site. So no man and that place, the Abakaliki Street is one of the highest security places in Noka. Ask anybody. I'm opposite HO2. If you go there today, you will see, ask for the Yahweh, they will show you. In that place, because when that show when they use a short time, they fought me there. The native doctor that came to bury Juju de Ukubara, you get one girl where they call Chante. Once you go there, ask the girl where they call Chante. Ask and the Yahweh. The girl, they do something, finish, the father died, they ran. They do, because what do they do? They never go get prayer. They will come use the seat, block the whole road. Come they do beer on music. So this thing they go, they stop me. So I no go fit. They see me say I no get money to do this. So they just try to frustrate me. But they make challenge five. Okay, no somewhere now. Also, even the Dibia will do juju for them. The guy come. About Oku, I still pray for them. He come back. So if I say I talk about you, it doesn't mean I hate you. I'm only trying to give you sign. I'm a prophet. Prophet is just to the view. But now you see prophet as somebody that hates you. I didn't hate Ebuka. I didn't hate Akwa Okuko. I didn't hate Ekejit. I didn't hate any. I was just giving them warning to get sense. Even February 17, I made a video about Nmiri Eweilo. I told Nmiri Eweilo that time they are coming with Dibia. That's this video, this picture now I'm using here now. This is video I made in February. That was 2 months ago. This picture now was there. I posted in my video. You can go and listen to what I said there. Now, do you know that Nmiri Eweilo came out and do use the same format? Akwa you say, no, na war pastor so. There's one convertible Nmiri Eweilo bring online. That thing was on my video, on my page. That video. If you find it, maybe you don't have deleted it in his own page. He said, now pastor, we can do Thanksgiving. Now there man start Thanksgiving. As Akwa the packaging on they come. Onyeze the package they come. Nmiri Eweilo say they come the package they come. Thanksgiving. They go bring our car. They go bring out this one. He said the pastor just bring this car. Pastor Eweilo. Why are they doing that? They are doing it to humiliate Christianity. They are doing it to conquer Christianity. Because so you feel there's no power in God. No man on earth that challenge God that live tomorrow. Be you a pastor, be you a prophet, be you an evangelist, be you a reverend. Nobody that mess up with God's name that will live. No matter how crowd you have, no matter how grace you have, no matter how kind people that followed you, you will be disappointed. I'm here to tell you. You see crowd as a God. Where is written that in the Bible that you're going to have crowd? Bible said the world will reject the truth because the truth is not, you're not of the world, and the world will never love you. So if you have the word of the truth, people will never like you. I want to give you example now. Who have you know that you have truth and people love? Show me one person that have truth that people love. Show me one person that have the truth people love. Let us start from Jesus Christ. He came before. Jesus Christ came with the truth. What happened? They killed him. Who killed him? The same people that they're trying to save that killed him. John the Baptist came with the truth. They killed him. Who killed him? The same people he was trying to save killed him. Samson came with the truth and power. They killed him. Why did they kill him? Because of the extra power and the jealousy and the truth. They killed him. They used Delilah to kill him. It's not Delilah that killed Samson. It's people that use Delilah to kill Samson. Okay? Today is a day you must learn something. I have wisdom. I have knowledge. I have grace. I have power. I don't talk anything. Who said a thing may come to pass when God have not commanded it? All those people that I mentioned here, if you go far back, if you go 3 years ago, see that I did not mention their name, I did not fight with them, I'll give you 10 million naira. All those people that have been arrested now, if you can show me one person that inside the Nmiri Eweilo Onyeze Jesus, Eke just started, Eke and they waiting with them, Akwa Okuko. I didn't mention their name, 2022, telling that God will punish them. Come and collect 10 million naira. Come and collect 10 million naira. If you can trace, say it's not, I didn't say it. When I say this thing, kidnapper for everywhere. I'm robber, they keep people. Everybody, they keep people. Police there. Not like Soludo that time. Can you say it? Soludo is just coming to accomplish the work I started. And even Soludo cannot do the work. Because he cannot do the work until I go to Anambra State, I do what I did. Listen to me. You see prophets as a human being. I am not a human being, I'm a spiritual world. I'm not like one of Odumeje or Onyeze Jesus or Ebuka or Jeremiah. You can't compare me and them. I'm not in the same level. I'm saying it to A. Ebuka, Jeremiah, where them, all those prophets, they are not in my level. They are small baby prophets. I am a major prophet, spiritual world. I don't have church. Church is not where I'm came. Show me one person who has exposed what I've exposed before. Is after I fight battle to finish, Ebuka become capitalized as Onye as a criminal way be smart guy. Come capitalize and no kid. That is when I don't fight battle finish. So it will look like it's one fighting no kid. I hate Ebuka because of he's a betrayer. The same betrayer he did to Roman Catholic people. How you know a betrayer? A betrayer is a betrayer. A betrayer is a criminal. Sometimes a betrayer is a betrayer, and I hate such people. Okay, now, okay, I didn't know. Okay, I said Ebuka betray me. Okay, how come? Okay, only me saying it. Baka is comparing the same thing. Roman Catholic people who started Zion with him, Ebuka betrayed them and take all the money. So how come everything is coming together? And when I say this thing, hey, you are envying him. See, let me tell you. See, I'm here to tell Ebuka to get wisdom and to be wise. What I go soon carry him. This is what I'm telling these people. If you did not change the water, I'll give him 3 years. Water will carry him. When I told you people, give me 3 years, I will close all the whole native doctor, all those all courts, they will close. He thought I'm joking. I have 1.16 million angels. I'm operating from the third heaven. Do you know what I've lost? Do you know the demon I've fought? I've fought kingdoms. I've jailed billion. In 2023, people came from London. They said they want to build Zion City Hospital for me. With my name, they will be the one to manage it. I said no. So when I hear say I rejected billion, many things. Reason why, if they come and build the hospital, people can be dying there. They can be harvesting people's kidney. I say no. I said, bring the money, let me go and build. They say, no. This is the condition. I don't allow them to build it. They will be the manager. I said, no, I'm not interested. That's not how God told me. God told me that there's people, my partners, the people I prayed will build the holy city. Wow, I've never built a church. And I think far back in 2018, people have come to manage me from South Africa. People that manage Buchiri. They say they were. Do you know that TV Joshua was managed? You do know Ebuka is managed by people. That's why you see booming. Ebuka cannot run that ministry. He is a mafia minister. I'm telling you now. Ebuka cannot run that Zion. That's why the guy, people that hijack it already managing it. That's why they see are bringing billion back. These are the investment of people. Okay? So don't compare it with us. And then once you become managed, you cannot speak the truth. That's why Mbaka cannot speak the truth again. He has want to speak the truth, then remove him. Once you're under control as a prophet, you're not any prophet that is managed is not a prophet. Any prophet that is managed, you don't need things of this world is not meant for you. You're managing so you can package you, so you can make more money, so you can deceive people, so you can, because without deceive, me and you know that Ebuka Bishop, we cannot make money. Speak the truth, people will run away. What is he speaking? What is it what you're supposed to be saying inside church where they have small kids? If we're talking and say we're jealous. Jealous of what? Have you heard Mbaka preach? Just preach. You go to church. You go to deeper life. Have you come and hear Kumoye? Have you come here at Deboye? Have you talked the truth? Don't say because now no. You're doing one thing. Okay, when Akwa Okuko started doing Okite, we saw the danger. We're telling you, this will destroy many things. We'll shout you. I came here to take it upon myself because I'm mad, you're crazy, you're jealous of this one. Akwa Okuko reach my voice. Dr. Mighty Road. Dr. Mighty Road. Akwa Okuko no reach, and one of my ras boy where I train before you talk about. Forget about Wayo money. Can Akwa Okuko reach Dr. Mighty West if you stand? Can Akwa Okuko reach Martin? These are boys are trained. When they start, can Ebuka reach Dr. Mighty? If nobody say church Wayo, can you stand my boys? Forget all those ones like Akosayon now. They're not go come out to bring your history. Go and bring your history. Who are you? Bring your history now. Let us go back. Let us go and print a statement 20 years ago. Let us say I make money. You think we don't fit track them? 20 years ago, you're nobody. So how did you now become so rich overnight? Somebody that 20 years is hungry. 20 years ago, Ebuka never do boy that time. That time I'm already a multi-millionaire, traveling from country to country. Because he now become pastors and deceive people and collect their money. So I'll be afraid of you. When we talk, you're not supposed to talk because you're a thief. No pastor can talk in Nigeria when I'm talking. You can't talk. I made my money on the street. We came into the ministry with money. I am the richest pastor to come into the ministry because I was small to start a ministry. I was 7 years, 1990. My ministry, senior Deboyo. See, Mbaka is a kid where I am in the ministry, in prophetic, where it comes to spirituality. Forget it. Let me tell you, you know there's a brand. If somebody come out from the Mankatri perform one miracle now, it will be very popular, right? But if other people do that miracle 10 times, they will try to kill them. Do you know that many years ago, I was even the one that shot all those people that even not before. You go see the Makati when they want to preach. How does why come in? They know, and because of me, they don't talk all those nonsense again. Because I have come out to prove to people that Sabbath is only of God. Any other one is set up. Prove it. Tell me, can I come and tell me? I've done church on Sunday, like this now. My church used to be Victory in Christ Miracle Ministry. I started as Sabbath. The first Sabbath in Ibuku, spiritual, called Zion City. This Zion you're hearing now, Ebuka is taking Zion. You're not a Zion. What is the name of your church? Zion Prayer Movement. No, so you're not a Zion. You didn't register Zion. Zion have been existent as a Sabbath. Zionites are not, they're Jews. So you don't come and claim, when you become dumb, when you don't do research, you see, apprentice, Kaya made a boy. Onye Garba boy, opening one boy, 5 years. No, you go university 10 years. Opening one boy 5 years with more knowledge than the person. Why? Because it's practical. I started small. I started killing snake when I was small. When I was 7 years, I killed snake. Snake came to bite me because that place was a bush. Only me and one of my friends. So we're small. Because everywhere was bush. Just the fence is open. Snake came. That snake is a spiritual snake. I killed snake when I was 7 years. Can you kill snake when you're? He will be shouting. I was sleeping in the church boy. So not be today. So this thing now, that power, that grace. Now let me give you history. That grace is when I came into movie industry. 1993. I was started movie industry. 1993. My brother was into different thing. I came. I started movie. before my brother even come. My brother served let me tell you, my brother served somebody that is very occultic man. So that man, nobody that served the man survive. Let me not tell you now. Nobody serves his organ and survive. All of them, nobody survive. None of them. Because once the man give you money, he will settle you with money. That time he will give you like 10,000. All he gave my brother was 10,000. About 5-6 years. He gave you like 10,000. That 10,000 is a very big money. That will be like millions now. Sure you get. That was a 1990 something. Well, that kind 1991, 1991, 1991. 10,000 will be equivalent to maybe 3 million now, 5 million. Because of the value of money. But you know what? Once you take that money and put it in your business, you become poor for life. This is a hard thing. So if we talk about occultic people, we think we just joke. But do you know why my brother survived? Because of the spirituality. Because of the spirituality. You say, we already saw it. You say, don't take the money. Don't take the money. Don't use the man money. That's why my brother survived today. He's a billionaire. Don't use the man money. So we went to do some spiritual prayer for him. I was a short boy. So he can't come out. My brother is a billionaire. But today, it's not all about money. This man doing now, my family, they say, no. How can you of all people? That's why when I started on the street, I hide my identity. Many people say, you're hungry. I just laugh. Show me how your pastor takes start. Somebody that started in this place. You see, I went to church and started like this. Show me where your pastor started. If you know be Bacha, if you know be Bako, if you know be one room. Somebody that started in church in Reiki. Show me where your pastor starts. If you say we'll be the same level. If you know be thief. If you know be criminal. If you know be deceived. Show me where your pastor starts. How many people think you start? The reason why your pastor is rich because he deceive people and lie to them and they using manipulation. No church can grow without manipulation. No church can grow without people money. Nobody can make it in ministry without deceiving people. We know all those things. When I've gone to many seminars, when I finish, I said, no, I don't need this. That's why Pentecostals are flourishing because of many of them, they went to theory school to understand this is wisdom of 419ers. When you come, somebody say, oh, I don't collect money. He said, my ways I don't collect money. He said, I'm doing projects. I need you to say a seed so God can bless you. Now, you know, if somebody collected, tell you, bring 500,000. You know, this man have charged me 500,000. No, but they will not do that. They will manipulate you. He will give 10 million without you know that you have. So see, that's what Ebuka is doing. That is format. You know those things. That is the same thing. Now, Jeremiah format is different. Jeremiah own is partner. You pay partner, you buy oil, you will pay for prayer line, you will pay all those things, you will pay for hotel. That's why they are doing program every time. Jeremiah have far back at 2018 hotel of 700,000, 500,000, 200,000. Last time I was there, I paid for the one of 200 and something thousand. Far back, that was 2017. Sheikh, 200 and something thousand in a room. Cheapest room in this hotel is 70,000. You will be two inside. If your load is 150. Ghana Road, all those small people. Now, why would the person become a billionaire? These are somebody that Mountain of Fire pursue. Jeremiah was pursued for Mountain of Fire. How many years ago? Now it's almost richer than Mountain of Fire. Just check all those things. Why did they have problem with Mountain of Fire? If Mountain of Fire are talking, I said, when they saw Jeremiah, saw the crooked way, Mountain of Fire fired him. Yes, go and check anything you see. You don't want to talk the truth. Ebuka is when they find out he's a criminal, they brought a gift to them with the father. Ebuka take everything. You haven't not to show a sign of a thief. Share na church now. Why not use that church of mind? They share the team, make on continue. That's why Ebuka have said. That's why 2017 they gave him letter. But Mbaka, because of Mbaka came with his grace and broke it. So I know question to one again. Criminal is a criminal. Don't come and I've been into this thing for 5 years. You know if you tell me about church. Go and bring your wish, God punish you. Which day start church? The first foundation in my father's house na church. I born into church. I'm not a prophet. I came to Nollywood industry change. Now me in Nollywood fight finish the industry for. Go and ask them. I was shot 7 breath. The whole industry fight me. All of them, many of them don't die finish. They talk about hey. If you think that I have to come and make math, try and see. Try and see. Try and see. Reason why we are always talking about people, not because of Ebuka, because of millions of people who believe this is God. Where it's not God, they are taking it to kingdom of darkness. Why is there a prophet? Is there a prophet? Evangelist. Evangelist is I am an apostle and a prophet, I'm an angel on earth. So I can't watch my people going astray. They say, you shall know the truth shall set you free. If Ebuka says, no, I'm not saying it. If anybody can come and challenge it, Jerome and Ebuka come and prove to us that Mary is not set and come and take house that worth 100 million. I'll cut the video. I'm share it. Any reverend father or any pastor that can say that worshiping Mary, pray to raise is not demonic. Come out. Let us go to Israel. If you prove it finish, you take house of that worth 100 million and elect. I'll give a stop. If you see me on air again, answer prophet. Take knife and cut my head. I want to prove it to the world that I'm more than all of you. You are nothing. What you have is just what we rejected. I rejected billion from the country kingdom. I don't do church. I closed my church because of the deceive. 2016, when I saw this deceive, the evil, the occultism, the evil. If you look at Nmiri Eweilo now, you say you happy. They arrested him, right? You look at Akwa Okuko, they are happy. They arrested him, right? Yes. Reason why they are own, because he was obvious. People are using it to our youth. If everybody know what everybody want to work, they are now going into that devious something. But before then, people, pastors and prophets have been doing evil. That's what I want to tell you. When I burn things of TB Joshua, Jeremiah, there's not Akwa Okuko then. There's no Akwa Okuko. There's no Nmiri Eweilo. There's no all those people. Do you know the kind of battle I fought that time? He did not try burn Jeremiah. Jeremiah is very wicked. He did not try burn. All the people that burn Jeremiah, this thing, they make them other than mad or something. Go and ask question. Now, me scatter all those things. All the people that burn Jeremiah or TB Joshua, most of them die mystery. Don't you know how powerful TB Joshua is? Don't you know how powerful Jeremiah is? But all those things not happen again. Now, after I finished that thing, come share and to the whole world, I was in the senior partner Jeremiah. I was a senior partner again. This thing, TB Joshua. I was a senior partner in Buchili. Let them go and bring the receipt. No, Jeremiah, go and bring your receipt. You will not see I will spend million, not less than close to 5 to 6 million naira in Jeremiah church. Go and print your receipt. Go and bring your cameras. Go back to wash my feet. Washing of feet of Jeremiah then is 100,000 one oil. I bought it. Can you pay 100,000 for it? I bought it. I bought water 70,000. I bought oil 40,000. That's what I call let there be war. That program spent close to 1 million naira. That's when I finished. I went to finish. Came back. Attack want to kill me. What I'm saying now is what I say. Let me say it. Anything that want to happen, let me say with people. But I know that they'll not be able to kill me. TB Joshua not die. I said it before he died. I'm not afraid of TB Joshua. Yoruba person will say I didn't get the been teaching of Lagos. Now person will come for me, but I'll come to fear you. You know, say because you're jealous. You're jealous. So if you're doing thief, you're a criminal. You're doing evil. You want to collect it for your evil. You know, question and make it two buy walk there. If we are jealous, you let me not see the light of the day. But if it's evil, Chukwuka go blind. All of you that support you will become blind. What are you talking about? You're getting money. And you're deceiving people. People are falling sick. People are dying. We tell you, this Mary you worship is satanic and they're killing people. Do you know what I thought? If you want evidence, make una call me, I will bring it. Who can sponsor? You don't want to hear the truth. Hey, Dennis, what is truth? What is truth and what is lie? He hates truth and he love lie. I want us to cry for you because of what? Come on, go tell with your money. If you think if it's money, I will come and stay here. Me, I was supposed to. I went to London 2003 to study international relationship in politics. My uncle had money, not be joke. I came back 2005, I was shot. I was shot 7 bullets in Onyeze hotel. When I came for African China, a welcome back party. Go and do it. If I talk, I'm going to tell you the names, tell you the year, 2006. Uche Jumbo was there. Person, I talked to my press guy. If they talk about this way because they do arranging, I don't get press manager. I do press conference. Far back at 2006, I used almost 10 million naira to run advert. They call Jadon. That's why I cannot do adverts for things of the world. I can't do God to do that. That's why I don't get anybody. If you like anything, nobody will reply you. Except now one of my son will be said, they don't feel said they don't like everything they talk. They just like you. What does it take people to reply? I can get 10 people and put them inside this house. They will be typing, 1,000 and the lights for Zion. I don't need that. I don't need this. You can't fight for God. I can't help God. Nobody can help God. Tell people the truth. Forget all those ones. Ah, church fool where? Who church fool help? Do you know how many people that go to church and die? When people die for the church, they hide it. You think it's today? People that die in the church, nobody told you what killed them. They hide it, so they don't want you to feel the people die. So you feel, oh no. Do you know how people that got frustrated? Some come and have sold you 20 million, 30 million and gone back and today they're broke. What are you talking about? What are you defending? What can you do? What did you know? Do you know who you're talking to? Do you know who you're talking to? I am among the 3 people that drove Range Rover Vogue in Nigeria. Go and ask people. Go and do the search. Who you refer to? Don Supremo is my name. Go and check. I drive Don Supremo, plate number, Abuja, Don Supremo, 2004, Abuja. They broke my number. They use escort. They broke my number, Supremo. They use black this thing. I get Abuja. They use black rubber to cover my plate number. That time, Ebuka never become boy now. He never go boy that time. This is not a, you can just take it. So when we talk, don't come here. Hey, you're hungry. What do you know about church? What do you know about Mary? What do you know about Christianity? How did it start? Christianity was invented in 330 AD by Constantine, the emperor. Why do you know they started Christianity? Christianity was to control the whole world. It's a slavery, this thing. Let me tell you now, in case you don't know. If you don't know that Nmiri Eweilo and Ebuka is worshiping the same thing, you're a fool. If you don't know that Mary and Samaria are the same thing, you're a kid. I'll prove it to you. I'm not saying because they arrested them on this thing. No. They need to arrest them because they are doing undue. How can you build a hotel under how much? What do you do? That is people money. And some people that you have created their money, they must have died. They must have been frustrated. Some be afraid. They can't come out and talk. That's what we're talking. We're not talking saying no, if you make money. It can make your money. It can be your list. But we know when you're defrauding people. Who have people now? I can call America. I can call Canada. People that come to Ebuka, spend all their money finished, go back and they cry. They say nothing happened. They didn't see Ebuka. Their money finished. Stop 3 months. And you come and want us to keep quiet. Where is in the Bible God asked people to come and stay 100 days? All those ones say anybody that put in prayer more than 1 week is a criminal. Government should go and lock that church. So people should go and do business. Go and look for something to do. Bible originally give you a day to worship. 6 days. You're poor today because you're a fool. You're a fool. Pastors are getting richer. I'm not saying not getting rich, but deceiving people in getting richer is what I'm not against. I'm against it. Not even be saying if I see money, I know correct. But let us speak the truth for once. Let us call a spade a spade. You're rich because you deceive more people. Any pastor that is rich cannot stand what I'm saying. No pastor can make it without deceiving people. Tell people the truth. They will run away. How many young girls they go deeper life now? How many young boys they go deeper life? No, we know you deeper life as a Bible church, as a truth for. They know they give prophecy. They know they give armor. They will give you prayer. Go and pray. You will go break. How many of you can be proud and say, "Oh, deeper life have helped me"? How many testimony they hear from deeper life? They are not poor. How many testimony? We know that one is as a church of God. We know class apostolic. That's the first Pentecostal movement. How many people they come and say, "Oh, the idea most of the pastors they come out from"? How many people they come and give all those useless testimony? They don't have the time. Thousands of testimony where I get on my people send to me say, I don't even do it before my phone crash. I just feel. But reason why for this testimony, just for you to see that, what's in the testimony you want? The person will go, "Oh, God don't do this for me." I have testimony every day. People call for testimony. But now, many will come out and say, "This is testimony 75, testimony 90, testimony 100. Just to deceive more people to feel, "Oh, if I don't belong here, I will not. Why would you belong to somebody? Why wouldn't you belong to the Most High God? If anyone that will say, "I have taken him to kingdom of darkness," or to go and do one juju, let him come out. 100 million naira. Since I'm doing prayer, if anybody say, "I have taken him to go and join one thing, go and join one society," let him come out. That is why when Ebuka beat them, I said, "You will hear from me." Because when they say something, you keep quiet, that means you have accepted. That's why we did battle see that it started today. I'm already speaking. I was on my own. I never mentioned Ebuka. Please share the Telegram at the bottom of the page. I've never mentioned Ebuka on my video before. I was on my own. He said, "Oh, that prophet that go to water, that prophet that do this, that prophet that do spiritual work." I was talking to me. The reason why I brought spiritual work on online because of our academy, what they are doing, people are seeing. And then and I brought something similar to it. So they see that, oh, this is working. Without that, how many programs am I doing? I've been healing people on the street. Do I go there to do spiritual work? I'm not doing my healing online everywhere. But that is what I do. I brought it so they see. I brought how am I? Casey, Ebuka, and all those ones. This mountain I've been for almost how many years? But nobody sees it. I don't even, because that's what God said. You're going to build Zion City of the Very Synagogue where the whole world will come and worship God. You don't like the truth, that's why. Martin Narikana that told you the truth, where is? Only once he came out to tell people the truth, you're only finished because they will hate you. They will do anything to you. That's what they did. Everything they do to kill me. 2022, 2023, 2024. All the bloggers, Ebuka, them buy them off. Akosayo called me on phone. He was on my video. Video call because I don't answer call. I say, if he must call me, he must be on video call. If Akosayo can put on the face, say, he did not call my phone, your family will wipe away. Do you know people that call me? Do you know the threat? Do you know I will kill you? This one will be Curtis, will be black ass. They are calling me this one because of what? Ebuka, what did I do? I was on my own. The idiot was calling my name. So Ebuka have the right to call anybody name, blackmail anybody, say anything you want to say. Tell us why and tell us call any pastor. But when you point out is evil, you become threat. You become jealous. Chukwuka, you go die if you support that evil covenant. We come to dismantle all the evil. We have trained for this. The reason why you capture all the things you're doing is in vain. They're reporting my page. Help me to share. So now, if you arrested Akwa Okuko, fine. You arrested Nmiri Eweilo, fine. They arrested Onyeze, fine. They arrested who again? Do you know some pastors do more wicked and more evil than those people? But because you don't see it. Do you know that some pastors are occultic witches and wizards killing their members, but you don't see it? But if we tell you now, you say we are jealous. Jealous of them. Ask them why people die if they have all the powers. Any pastor that people die in his church is an occultic man. Is that demon that take those souls? Let me say it here. Any church you go, people die. 1, 2, run, no God there. God can never put his head to shame. God say, I never see his servant be put to shame. I use my own to say. People have died in my church. 4 people, I bring them back to life. 1 died in Abrado last year. 1 died last 2 years. 1 died last 2021. 1 died 2022. Once I see anybody die in my ministry, God forbid, the person must come back to life. Why am I playing God? Why am I a servant of God? People come to your church, they will die. And you come and say you have all the power. You have nothing. That's manipulation. The first thing that God will do is protection. God can never allow his servant to be put to shame. That's why when Elijah came back, the children that Elijah had prophesied that the woman going to have, they said the woman, baby don't die. Elijah went there and prayed. The baby came back to life because how can God give you something and that will become destructive to people? Just know this thing today. Why I'm making this because of that Jolo that say if anybody does not pray separate, he will do what? He will die. This is manipulation, and God will punish Jolo. It's nobody. If you read rosary, you will die under attack of Marine Kingdom. Rosary is satanic. Since you don't start, make you come out and prove to us. Prove to us verse where God said read the rosary. No reverend father can challenge this. Nobody can challenge this thing and say you. Ebuka cannot say, leading to praying to Mary is praying to summary. Let us say it now. So all the people that are also, as arresting people that are praying to Mary, also arresting people that are praying rosary, they are the same thing. But yeah, the Christian, where do you belong? You belong to do you belong to I do not belong to anywhere. I belong to truth. I don't have sight. I don't need anybody to be my sight. People that try that, I push them away. I don't need it. I trust in the Lord, and God say he that with God is majority, not he that have crowd. I never see a prayer that say he that have crowd. All the people that have crowd, David defeated them and killed them and conquered them. And the city that, why you see they call the city of the living God, the Zion city of David was a city of people that David conquered the battle and took over the city. And God said, do not be jealous of what? Of them, that you will look around and you will not see them again. So I pray that they have deceived people by defrauding them. If your hand is not is clean, you'll be free. But if you're not defraud, that one, the same thing with the Ebuka, the same defraud, now just different format, nothing different. No pastor can make money if you know defraud people. If you know manipulate people, you can't make money. You can't, you won't be that rich. Because normally now, we are doing Passover. It's written. Sabbath get their pattern. The Catholic get their pattern. But Ebuka, you know, my Catholic, they do the Catholic, they do Sabbath, they do Pentecostal, they do everything I miss. You know, they anyway. Okay? It must be somewhere. You must have a covenant. Like Sabbath now, our daughter is to go to water. Would they follow what Jesus do? So if you see me for water, now the meaning. Jesus was in the water. Elijah was in the water. People of Israel passed through the water before they can be delivered. John the Baptist was in the water. So if you see me in the water, go and read your Bible to understand why I go to water to do. Even John, when water wanted to draw him, Jesus came out and do what? And bring me up. Say, have faith, come to the water. Why does it say that? That water means something. It's called water of life. I read the Bible 7 times from beginning to end. So nobody can bring me with the Bible. Nothing like chapter 8. If you're reading chapter 8, you're a fool. 24th century, 2025, you're reading chapter 8 to chapter 87. You never know, say that demonic. Then you're against the name from Nmiri and you're reading chapter 8. They're the same thing. They're the same thing. Nothing to hide. I'm telling you, if you can prove it, 100 million naira land, a house. Be you pastor, be you reverend sister, be you, especially Jerome and Ebuka to come and take this challenge. Come and prove to us that marriage is not set up. It's not the same thing with somebody. That queen of heaven worship. Let me give Bible back up. Because of you that doesn't know Bible, go and read it. Exodus 20. That shall not have any other God before me. That shall not pray to grave image. And are you not against God? How did you know God? How did God love you? You're a satanic agent of darkness, antichrist. Jesus said, if you love me, keep my father's commandment. Anybody who did not obey the law of God, commandment of God is a Satan. It's called a burial. Why did God throw Satan from heaven? Because devil want to take over the throne, begin to act as God. God said, no, Angel Michael, throw him away. You must know this. Reading rosary is you disobeying God. Praying to Mary or praying to white Jesus is you disobeying God. You're already an antichrist, rebellion, agent of darkness. If you like, be a billionaire. If you like, you're nothing. Nebuchadnezzar, he said, he have money, he worshiping God. Go and sit down. Nebuchadnezzar was rich. But at the end of the day, eat grass. All the billionaires inside Bible, they don't know God. They have money. So you don't use money and cry to know. Nebuchadnezzar have everything. If you talk, they put you inside prison. But does he know God? No. But at the end, God make him to go and eat grass. That's how it will be full of fake prophets and fake pastors. Their own is worse. Why I'm talking this is because Nmiri Eweilo came out and said, "Mommy water." Somebody, me and you know it's not God. You choose to go and join Mommy water because you want the money. It's in the Bible. It's called God of Mama. Then go and read the way it is. Then what will happen to you, even if police now arrest Nmiri Eweilo, what will happen to all the worshippers? Either you will fall stroke, either you will contact HIV, either you will have sickness inside that water. That is the same thing that will happen to Nduru Catholic. Let me tell you now. That is it. He can't defend it. Go to the Bible. Let me give you Jeremiah 7. God said, I will afflict them with sickness of Egypt. What sickness of Egypt? HIV, cancer. These are nonsense sickness. All those will be your portion towards the end. It's, you know, a guy about was everything in a rosary. This is what. That's why you see no Roman Catholic member that's not going to be Dibia, not going to be prophet. Why are you now looking for solution in other places? You have all the Almighty Ebuka, and you still call for back. None of them that God that get disappointed. We have a man that went there for almost his member. They want to cut his leg. Let me hear them. So at the talk, I'm going to give you evidence. If you want to provide video, he can't stop me. Because we have the power. We'll come and prove it. We have people that come from America, spend almost 10 to 20 million naira. They went back crying, say nothing until I help them. So we say with fact. We don't say what we don't know. We don't blackmail. You see, there's a difference from blackmailing and from this one from saying the truth. Now you don't want truth to be said. Now they're reporting my page. I could not do live video on here for more than 3 days now because of that reporting. If I come on video since last week, the thing will be cutting. I have to do on my second video. But now just let me try. If not, so I want to go on my ministry page because I don't all this thing I'm talking about native doctors and the pastors. Once if I put a picture here, all of them will get. I get it reporting the page. They don't come. But you know me, I must say the truth. I don't make one out on Facebook. So if you want to join our Passover means it's once in a year. If I befriend Canary, every Sunday, they say annually, then it's once. Jesus eat Passover once. It's Passover, ram. Originality can Jesus died, Jesus can no. Jesus never died on the cross. Yeshua never died on the cross. Go and do research. I've been to Israel. So Jesus Christ also participates in this Passover. What is Passover? Passover are the time the people of Israel was in captivity, in bondage in Egypt. Remember that Moses was also trained in Egypt, so you have no other actives. So when the two of when the Israelites and the Egyptian was fighting, Moses came and killed one of the what? Egyptian. And now they find Moses as a traitor. And they know that Moses was originally from his birth. He was born as what? As Israelite. But her daughter, that time they born Moses, they want to kill all the whole children because they give a prophecy. There is somebody that came that will liberate those people. So Pharaoh give order they should kill all the whole small children. Now, Moses, when they born her about 3 days ago, they carry Moses and put inside water. And water carried the Moses. Water carried him. Then Pharaoh daughter was bathing. You now hear the baby crying. He now carried him. He said this son was getting from the water. So Pharaoh daughter, the one that trained Moses. Moses was trained because of the proof. That's why I say God can use devil also train his own people. Okay. So now Moses was trained in the house of Pharaoh to understand and to be protected and to have more knowledge. Because if you know that, he will not have no knowledge that all those miracles that he's doing. So it was there, understand all the magicians, understand everything they do. So that's why when Moses killed the Egypt's son as they are fighting, Moses became one of the guardians of the palace and with the Pharaoh's son. So but Moses have more wisdom, so they give him he's in charge. And being a daughter of Pharaoh that owned Moses, is her daughter now, is her son now. So Solomon was loved and they favored in the palace. So Moses was loved and favored in the palace. Then Moses now was checking because they are building permanent. So Moses was going around, find out that one Egyptian was flogging, one Egyptian was flogging one Israelite because he was not working. The person, because sometimes they would tire, they won't eat, they will flog, they walk. So when Moses come, they saw it and they want to fight. Moses now killed the Egyptian. So they saw it on the camera, they gathered. So that's why they threw Moses. Many of you don't know why Moses went to wilderness. So that night, they threw Moses away. They give him that staff. Say, this staff, use it and rule over animals in the bush. You know, the word is powerful. The word is powerful. So that word is, that staff is staff from Pharaoh kingdom. So one of his son, you know, is one that threw Moses away. So when he was throwing him, he now threw that staff. Said, take this staff, go and rule all the animals in the bush. So Moses was right there alone and he was in the wilderness as he was going. That's why I see. Sometimes you pursue a person to his own destiny. Like what make me so strong today? Let me finish that. I'll come to that. Then now Moses was going before he now saw that burning bush. That is the time that God wants to us. So sometime of your trial, sometime of your problem, sometime in a so is for you to locate your what? Your destiny helper. Your destiny. You must fight for it. You don't keep quiet because they will kill you. No. You don't close your mouth. Every day they will kill me. I can tell you, let's me. Every day. I will come in for you every day. Every day. If I have my phone now, you go here and they call. Once you mention that, one of them go gather. Are you not God? Who tell you Ebuka cannot die? Who tell you your God? Who made you God? Who made you that if you sleep, you can wake up? You can wake up, you can sleep and die. You can go into fire or crash. People have died in plane crash. So shut up. Close your mouth. Bible says, fear not, because I am the what? I am the Lion of tribe of Judah. We don't fear anybody. The day you think what you're going to do, that is your end. Go and ask Jess Agobor and J Park. Now me, how about I feel Nazario Hakili? I told them about I feel Hakili. I know the way arranged. My help comes from the Lord, not from people. And the Bible says, he that with God is majority. So if God have told that he that will cry, I will be pleading people, come. Me, I go tell you, so if you know one follow, get off. Bible say the sheep will hear the voice and the voice they will follow. Okay? Now, why I'm making this utterances is just for you to know that the same guilty that you think you're the only thing is do too much. All the too much. People have been doing the thing for 100 years. Nobody did them anything. If you go to Agro, you will see how Agro. People come there like church. People come there every day. Nobody's going to arrest them because they're not even on Facebook. They are doing their religion, their worship. When people started talking, that means you have started doing anything you see people complaining. You have started doing extraordinary things that people don't used to do. There are so many Reverend fathers in Anambra State, in Igbo State, in Abia State, in Owerri State, in Lagos State. Why are they people not calling their name the way they're calling the Ebuka? Because Ebuka have run different format that is not pleasing to people's eye. That's why they're complaining. Anything you do now, people are not. That's not the way. The people must complain. If you do deliverance, the way people don't used to. Like my people now, look at me. If I'm doing deliverance and sometimes I'll be doing spiritual work, people will be talking, but they're not used to it. That's not the pattern. I will carry motor and I mean, know what they do. But they don't no, this one not be God, this one occultic man, because it's not their pattern. They will ask questions. So if somebody talk that, like if somebody come to my page and say that now, say, go and kill him, go and arrest him, go and kill him, we'll kill you, no. Sometimes I will leave and I go laugh. Because flesh and blood, I have not revealed this thing to that Omo I used to call was planted by God. So people must ask questions. If you do what is not pleasing to them, what they're used to, they will ask questions. So when they ask questions, they become they're just saying you, they are this. No. The same thing is what put Akwa them here. If they have listened to my voice, what I told them 4 years ago, none of them will be arrested. They will still believe. They will still believe and they will enjoy their money. Now today, what is happening? That's it. So another person now I want to relate this message is Ebuka and Matthias. People have to be very careful. I'm not saying they should arrest Matthias or they should arrest Ebuka, but whatever you do, when people begin to talk, listen. There's a time people was talking. I was just fighting. People are talking. I have to shut down. Me shutting down just to let them understand what I'm trying to figure out. Ebuka begin to call me fake. That's why our battle start. You don't know. You don't call my name, but he was talking to me. The Ebuka call Ebuka name, but you know he's talking to you. Somebody may not call your name, but he's talking to you. So you should not be a fool. I am a spiritual warrior. I am born a fool with the wisdom of God. Somebody who can tell you something will happen, it will happen. Is it my own? I cannot be able to say. This is not arranged. If you find me arrange, do bring it. Bring it to social media. I've done miracles uncountable. We can never see one arrange. We're not trying to please anybody. I'm not trying for you to like me. Truth is there. Martin Nadikara was loved after he was what? After he was hate. When he was preaching the truth. Ndibo, that's not guy want to kill Ndibo, When he was arrested, now people saw seeing the reality. If not by God, they would have killed me now. Now I'm going to say, hey, the Yahweh used to say this more. This is why you're not saying it because nothing happened to me. If I'm inside prison now or I was killed, the thank you I'll get is, hey, the Yahweh said this more. Now, but you cannot say it now because your papa never died. And I cannot die. God is saying, I will prepare a table in presence of your enemy. All those who always say, me not going to send me spiritual attack. Poison. But it didn't work. Hello? Morning. Are you done from church? Look at Sunday. You know? So, God bless you. Let me pray this song there to continue again. I have a meeting by 12. I'll be coming online again by let's say by 4 o'clock. Oge Chukwuka Dibia. I wonder. So that program is program that have liberated millions of people in this part all over the whole world. So that program will be coming by 4:30 today. So you can call and say your view. If you have any message you want to send, you can drop your message 0903-222-6076. You have a Mr. WhatsApp line. So you want to call for the program, get ready by 4 o'clock. So you can call and say anything you had here that is not right. You want me to clarify for you. You want me to answer you, you can call on that. Don't come and be making nonsense this thing on my page. Just call and tell us why you think I shouldn't talk about Ebuka. Why you do think, I see them jealous. Call me on the video call. Tell me why you think I'm jealous. The same way they're saying Akwa when I was telling you, I'm only just warning. I'm a prophet to deliver and labor. So anything I see going wrong about my people, I must say it. Then, why do you think all those pastors, all those big Yoruba pastors don't speak about the evil happening to Ndibo. Why do you think they don't talk about it? Ana abandon uno Ndibo, ana abachop Ndibo, ana ebu Ndibo up and down. And you see that church of Satan. Any church on Sunday is not of God. Just know that. Every church on Sundays, any church on Sundays, Roman Catholic, all of them are Roman Catholic. Now, Roman Catholic brings Sunday worship. God will bring it. So that's why Israel, have you come and see where Israel people, they tell you, come to God, come and repent? No. Have you come, how many Sabbath people you see, they deceive you? They can't. They will just preach, they can preach. And immediately, Sabbath person will be say, come out there, speak like that. They don't. But I feel I'm on a mission. Because this is not a church, this is a movement. It's a movement. Hello? Yes? I'm on the program. I'm doing something. Okay, come now, I do something. All right. God bless you. Somebody say, oh, you see the crowd. Now you they see those, I don't even watch all those things. Because I see them as you're taking people to kingdom of darkness. How on earth will you be praying to Satan and you claim you pray to God? How on earth will you be worshiping money water and you're against people that worship money water just to deceive more people? We are not in the same level. I'm a Jew. Practice Judaism. When I find out that all these are occultic and the Freemasons and these things, I back out. So we don't here to please any man. We're not here to tell you to get wisdom. So God bless you. People think they're smart. Nigerians are always thinking they can use people. They can use people. Almighty God, free Mazin and can the way kidnappers, the way the kidnappings are killing our. I saw the one they shot gun in their leg. Let me pray this song first. Please, you know watch it, share the telecast. Dr. Chukwuka Dibia because of enjoy music, enjoy life. I'm on 2022. I'm not on 2022. Umokoro na mugombe atuno wanike obumade nike ganda nike no meko mekini na pa eme na kitio no kiti bubo ana pasyaso mo feke Dibia zemwani oso Soludo no Chukwuka Dibia no because of anyo. Also, all the video with Chukwuka Dibia. We are the Zionites. mana nwanne na Jizọs na Chino Chukwu gọziri nna na mma were wetara anyị gọba Soludo Soludo na Chino onye ọzọ Anambra nwekwanụ ndị Igbo ji abanụ mbanụ Anambra nwekwanụ ndị odegbuo ndị ojere Amerịka London chụrụ ugorọtanụ Prince ọzọ eze n'ugbo ịnọsi moto degbuo Chukwuka Dibia Onye Anyị bụkwa ụmụ Chukwuka ụmụ Chukwuka na-enye ụmụ arụsị ụmụ Chukwuka anyị bụkwa ụmụ Izrel nwanne m udo ga-achị Obu mmadụ n'ike n'oge isi ibu ugbo ụmụaka dibịa eze nwanyị Chukwuka dibịa Prophet David Yahweh onye mmadụ na mmadụ ji n'abalị ikele Hello?
I'm at your gate.
Okay. God bless you. I have a meeting to attend. 11. God bless you. See you by 4 o'clock. Oge Ndibo, Oge Chukwuka Dibia. So God bless you. Please help me to share and support our Passover. Know that this Passover will be taking place in Anambra State. It's a 7 days program. So you are invited for the program. Come and join the feast of Passover to take over. God bless you. I still remain Prophet Yahweh Chukwuka, the spiritual warlord who God sent to destroy the kingdom of darkness. So 7 days, but I can do cut, I can do Church of Satan. God bless you. Love you all. Shalom.